Lilong Haoreibi College ki multipurpose hall da Lilong Haoreibi College Internal Quality Cell amadi Lilong Haoreibi College Students Union ANINA PUNNA KHUTSAMNARAGA Felicitation of Sports Achiever 2024-25 Haiba program ama Pangthokhre Sports kilamda ing kumzalisangani kunmari kunmanga gi chaliba tha si fawda mai paklakpagi taramna okraba miyoi singadudi college asidagi mamang chei pass out oikiba Muhammad Rakif defender is Bengal FC, Muhammad Yasir, midfielder FC Goa. College asida hauzik tamliba Aziz Mirza, Manipur men's under-23 cricket team. MD Akil Ahmad, Fundray Mayum, Manipur men's under-19 cricket team. Daniel Makak Mayum, captain, Chennaiyin FC reserve team. Said Khan, Manipur men's under-20 football team. MD Alam Azad, martial arts champion. Samir Sa Amadi Manzur, Manipur University men's kabaddi team. Alima Manipur University Women's Kabaddi Team Fundray Mayum Awes Alam International Karate Player KH Samir Khan Wushu Player MD Rasis Wushu Player KH Jabed Hussain Athlete MD Habibullah Buya Mayum Manipur Junior Kabaddi Team MD Hasif Khan Kabaddi Player Makoy Singh Asini Thoramaduda Presidential Member Oina A Daneshwar Singh Convener Sports Committee Lilong Haoreibi College Alhaz MD Ali Hassan, Vice President Lilong Sports Association and President Pangthokhre FC, Lonena, Professor MD A Satar Sa, Principal Lilong Haoreibi College na Saruyaki.